Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, other practice driving na naman tayo guys. So, let's go guys. Practice driving guys in the night time.
Lights.
I was running a mile. It was raining today. Maybe that's why. Why you did that?
Yeah, she's got to be able to go in and out of a garage.
I thought you did that because you're cool.
It's cooler. It's better if it's inside. I mean,
Yeah.
keep going. You get the,
Yeah, we move.
I
Oh,
finally
yeah.
got my seatbelt on.
I put that
a little bit more. Okay, stop. Easy stop.
This is where I start. Or my
Who's in the way of this?
You have no cars there, RJ?
I can see.
Let's see.
This is where I start my marathon of biking. I start right here
We're in the right.
and go down the sidewalk.
Got to turn the wheel, you know. Got to go faster than two.
Just not.
Forgot to wash the seat. Got coffee stain on it. Got to take a washcloth to the seat.
Let me wash the whole car.
The windows look good.
She washed the screen of the backup camera that's right there. She washed the back of this. She washed all the controls.
Many people. Yes.
No, I think they lost something.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Oops.
Get all the way in the left
They
lane.
crashed, they lost
Left lane.
something.
There you go.
Found it.
So you know this road. Someday you have to learn other roads. You gotta stick the nose out.
There
Okay.
you go.
Yeah. Go 100 miles an hour. Rush hour is still happening. Look at 6:42. Should fix this road. Get in the straight lane for the lane. Could be over. He's going left. He's in the left lane. The straight lane's over. There you go. That's straight. All right. That's a left turn only. Where he is. With the arrows in the ground. Rush hour still going, so there's nothing we can do. come back in the summer so you can climb the rope. They had like a rope, slanted rope, like what they have on Ninja Warriors. That's a private school. I'll pay $300 a month. Want to go to a private school, RJ? Blinker. Up here safe from the flood. Go high up there. See right up there. All the houses below them will be flooded, they'll be dry.
Right here, honey?
No. Be careful though. Watch your stop signs.
Far behind.
Follow the brand new yellow. They finally fixed them. So far. Blinker. We got a tailgate here once we go 50.
See, 25 here.
Watch out for the car, stay on the other line. 25 it says.
Yeah, 25.
You're on the yellow, you're on the right line. Get in the middle of the lane. Oh, what's this? It's a bike path. Looks like a debris in the
Yeah,
road.
20. School.
Usually that's when the lights light. Keeping it 25. Usually the houses are facing the main road. Cars going 60. I think you gotta turn up here somewhere. Right up there. See that car went across? Blinker, right. Now selling from the millions. Farmington's all like $1.5 million. They're saying the whole country's $1 million now. Average homes like these, $1 million across the country. Keep going. See that car's coming? Oh, there you go. Okay, now you go. I wish we could have got here during the day. Should have made it.
You cannot see that. So bright. Oh my god,
That's the bike crossing. Remember? No cars behind us.
Yep.
Look at all those houses on the mountain there.
But that right.
They get the high winds right here. Stay in this lane. No stop sign. Just watch that people do stop. Look at that building. How many stories is that? 4-story building. It says that the apartment or something there. I remember a 4-story building over here. Do you? It's after the hazard.
New building.
Not an apartment complex, is it? Look at that thing. It's only 3-story. It's monstrous. It's like an office building, I guess. Red Barn. That's a Red Barn. That's so good. Yeah, some kind of
Red
barn.
Barn.
The company, they sell fruit. Here's a 4-story complex next to ours. We used to be. They're probably charging for that place that we had $1,800. I was paying $1,100. 15, maybe 12. I can't remember. So it might be 2,000. Go to the red light up there. Try to stay in the middle.
It's McDonald's.
Yep.
The place is so small, they don't open the inside. Okay, good job on the yellow. Go up to the crosswalk. Okay, we gotta look really close now. I think that green light. We lined up with the green light. Green light. There's a straight line, see it? So we're in the right lane. We're in the correct lane.
I remember.
Okay, pretend your blinker off. Watch, put your blinker off.
Is that the new place?
What new place?
Yeah.
Oh, the hotel next
Yeah.
to Chick-fil-A.
The car's so mini, my goodness.
That's why I wanted to practice up. This is where the license place is, and they've
Yeah.
got the hardest intersection in the country, right next to the license bureau.
Is a crane that's about to fall down.
At least it'd be a little easier at night. You go for like a 11 o'clock appointment, 10:30 appointment. It's very dangerous here. There's like 17 different entrances and exits. If you make a wrong move, you could be going the wrong way. I don't know how they fixed this, but they did a poor job. Here you go. Stay in this line. You got to estimate. Okay, there you go. Hold on. Get ready for the circle. You got the right of way. Watch out for him. Follow these cars. Stop sign. Full stop. Here we go.
Welcome to our favorite place.
Look how crowded it is.
Friday night.
They're all shopping on a Friday night for bagels. And...
Yep.
Okay, let's go down to that last entrance where the Apple store is.
Red hat.
Gotta look all the way to the right to see if there's a stop sign. Are they having a concert here? Okay, this stop sign, you gotta make a left.
Yeah, they're probably having a concert.
Next one.
You know what I saw?
Stop. I didn't expect 1,000 people to be here in the middle of the winter. You know?
You know what I saw?
See, that is full.
I
All
said,
of
you know what
people
I
here.
saw?
You saw what? A car?
I saw a plasma car selling.
Park
Here.
right here.
They're selling 5 plasma cars.
Straighten out the wheel. Straighten out the wheel.
So that's Are we gonna go walking all the way there?
You're inside the line.
Are we gonna
Turn the
go
lights off.
walking all the way over there?
The headlights.
That's it. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay guys, we here, we made it.